Today we're going to go back over volume to finish off the week with math. So we're going to go over one more rectangular prism problem and one more cube problem. But first, let's remind ourselves of what the formula for finding volume with both of those are. It is length. Nope. Give me 1 second, guys. Length times width times height. Easy as that. So first, we're going to start with the cube. So remember, a cube is made up of squares. Squares have all the same sides, so it doesn't really matter if we know which one's the length, which one's the width, and which one's the height. So for this, we're going to use the example of this little guy over here. Let's say the sides are all 4. So if we have one side that's 4, that means the rest of the sides are 4. So we can just plug in 4 for length, width, and height. So we have 4 times 4 times 4. So the first thing we're going to do is 4 times 4, which is 16. I'm going to cross this off so I know I used it. 16 times 4. I'm going to do that off to the side just so you can see my math. So 16 times 4, 6 times 4 is 24. Drop the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So 16 times 4 is 64, and we can't forget our label, which is going to be inches and cubed. You have to have the 3 at the end because that shows us that we're talking about volume. So now let's go over a quick rectangular prism. So let me erase that, put the formula up top. So we have length times width times height. So remember, for this, it is very important that we know which one is the length, which one is the width, and which one's the height, because that's going to matter. Because if you put height 2 times instead of a width and a length, then you're going to mess up all of your numbers. So we have a 2 here, put a 3 there, and a 4 down here. We're going to be doing this in inches again because I really like inches. So let's plug this in. So our length is always this long side right down here. So we're going to put 4 times our width, which is this one up here, the 2, times our height, which is 3. So 4 times 2 is 8. We're going to cross off that so we know we used it. Times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. Can't forget our label of inches, and we can't forget our exponent, our 3, because that shows us volume. So remember, for volume of rectangular prisms and cubes, for cubes, you could just have to know one of the sides because all the sides are the same. And rectangular prism, you have to know which one's the length, which one's the width, and which one's the height. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or the other teachers, and we'd be happy to help you. Have a great day, guys.